I'm over at OG Lee's house, man. His son over here working on his Regal. And we got an old school Grand Prix back there. I'm gonna go ahead and check out this Grand Prix real quick. But yeah, always moving stuff around, always buying stuff, always fixing, repairing, restoring. Yep, more Pontiacs, man. With the rag top still on it. With the chrome trim. Coffin cheering. I don't know, tell him what he finna do with this thing. No, he don't waste no time when he get ready to do what he doing. So, I'm over here at OG Lee's house. His son working on that Regal, and he just got this back here behind the shed. I like seeing him because how he put them together pretty good. So it's like taking pictures of it and catching it in its current state. And maybe another 6 months to a year, this thing might be up and running and sold, or anything way he might be done with it. But that's clean. My mom used to have something like this. Yep. So, ain't no telling how this, what's good, YouTube? Ain't no telling how this one finna go right here. But I'm at OG Lee's Perez house, and I know we're gonna have some kind of content coming, some kind of project, so y'all stay tuned.
Cars next to his.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So I hope I can't wait to see it, because that's gonna be a funky ass color.
Yeah, man.
That shit's gonna look good.
That's the OG coming.
Yeah, I put that battery in the trunk. Well, not battery, but that capacitor in the trunk. That should make a big difference.
This man got this whole shop in the backyard. He got the whole setup back here.
Stop working on it, man. Everything's together. You know what I'm saying? This one's in pieces. I'll come with this one. got the vents down here still.
Now they can hear you a lot better now.
Yeah, I would definitely use this one right here. Yeah,
There's a Facebook bar right there.
Right here. That exhaust hose.
What am I have to do?
Try to find that little rubber hose. I found one on eBay. Might be some more out there now. But it goes inside your motor right here. Keeps the motor cool. It just goes from here to here.
Two times lucky. Lucky 2 times, right?
Yep.
And goes. What the Grand Prix called?
I ain't got no name for that one.
Butter pecan.
Something.
What color you going? Candy?
I don't know. I don't even know if I keep it.
He might do the baby.
Until once I get that up and running and driving, then I'll figure out.
You might do the baby Wolverine.
Nah. Nah, that one's done, man. I got too much flack for that one. I still loved it though. Couldn't nobody fuck with it.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I just kept it like that.
He said, them people ain't never changed the oil on this damn thing.
Bro, I ain't never seen a motor. This motor in this car was not as bad, but it was similar. It didn't have that much. It didn't have that much shit in it.
You keeping it all original too, huh?
Yep. I want to find the same pulleys that are on this motor. I'm going to try to find them and put them on this one. That way I have that rim, that belt, that fat belt. That way I can put a bigger alternator on it. If I keep it. If I keep it, then I ain't going through all that.
You say you gonna put what kind of pulley on there? A billet?
No, the ones that are on this car.
What is that one?
It's got that fat on your car too. I would have the what is that? The 5 or 6 rim.
6 groove pulley.
Yeah. I want to be able to put a bigger, higher power alternator on the car if I keep it.
Being I'm going with a smaller pulley on my power steering pump, right? All my lines and stuff is all crazy right now. I'm about to figure out a better way to plumb my power steering. Because right now like spaghetti. But this pulley right here went down 2.5 inches now. And so
Yeah, because the other one's real big, right?
it's 6.5 inches. Now mine's is 4.5. So my partner told me, he said you might have a little lag on your power steering when you stop at low idles. So I might do a 5-inch.
Yeah, but even with that, still you want to make sure you got enough room. Because you got to remember, on that car, on that engine, when you tighten your power steering, does it move like this one? When you tighten it, it kicks out that way. So on that one, does it do the same? I can't remember on that bracket that you have for that pulley. Because you use the factory bracket, right? I don't know too much about the motors.
It almost like them boys, it ain't no adjustment really in them. But how this one got a swing in it.
Yeah, that one don't.
Man, it's like them that pressed in. Stuff is looped in, brackets.
Yeah, I don't know too much about them.
We got brackets on there. We like, where the hell did this go? This is dangling.
Right. Unless you go with like that March system.
No.
That bitch is 2 G's.
Come on, man. I work for myself, man.
Exactly.
It's a hobby.
Exactly. That's why I ain't got none of that shit on none of my cars. I ain't putting that shit on my cars. Unless I hit a lick somewhere, hit the lotto, then I'll do that shit. I want to be able to go to Riley's, and even if it don't be there that day, they can get it for me the next day. I want to do that shit. So, the only thing that I can't fuck with on this car is the alternator. But hit up McMahon, I can give me another one.
Y'all see him put the sliding rag top on there?
I had to mess with that because the screws came loose. And the header panel on it, the top, the front, came loose. So every time I would try to lock it down, it was coming loose. It wouldn't latch. And it would just pop out of place. I was like, why did it lock? So I didn't driving for a couple days. So I hit up the company. By the time they hit me back, I couldn't sleep for like 2 days. Came out here one night, took it all back apart, figured out how it was, moving around, moved it over, tightened it down, fixed it. Then they hit me up the next day and told me what to do.
It's already done. You had to call your boy in. What's his name?
Micho. Micho, man. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little something with this one, man.
How long this one gonna take?
In and have it redone.
You won't know till you get down to where?
Pull the oil pan off. But now I'm gonna put the fuel pump on it. That's why I had to get the bolts because all the bolts were gone. They were missing. So I'm gonna put the fuel pump on it. Put the valve cover back on it. And grease the shit out of it. Clean it real good. Hit it with the power washer, and then start breaking it down. I want to take the oil pan off first, though. See if it's full oil man.
Y'all see it right there.
And if it is, then I'll break it all the way down, send it to the machine shop.
And y'all know you gonna paint everything. Y'all know everything gonna be painted. Some form of blue.
Clean. Gotta be clean. I hate working on dirty motors. It may sound girly, but I hate getting oil on my nails. You know what I'm saying?
Why not just wear gloves?
I do, but
They don't last.
there's days where, they just rip so fast. By the time I know it, I got shit in my nails off.
Boy, these rods and pins is out of there. You gotta put some heat on that shit, man.
God damn, I'm gonna have to set it to the side and dig all that shit out.
Damn.
You can't even see that bolt right there, look. Nasty ass shit. But I ain't putting no LS in it. I ain't doing no crazy shit to it. And if it's gonna cost too much more, I just want it up and running. But if I'm gonna get that deep into it, I'm gonna just stop and get back out here so I can hurry up, finish them up, paint them up, put it together, then I'll play with that. Then I'll paint this one. I want him painted first, then paint yours. I don't want to paint him yet.
You say you gonna go back with the green.
Yeah. I had ordered another coat of paint. Now I can have a little extra. Now I'm kind of thinking I don't need to. I shouldn't. But I'm thinking about taking the body back off the frame and painting the frame green to match the car.
Oh man, you feeling cut up.
And then chrome plate, get. I need to quit thinking and just hurry up and get this shit done. Because the longer it sits